abantu bagira ngo ahi bakubire bahinga mu buku irrigation settlement scheme abahinji bakatandika kuhingamo emiyembe hamwe n'emiti ya kartusi. Abashuubuzi b'obutunguru abarikukora mu katare ka Maho muri Nyamwamba division municipality ya Kasese nibo berarikirire bwa nyuma y'obutunguru okutemba ebeeyi kandi obwa hato omufungo kukatemba gwaruga hari shiringi 2,000 gwaza hari shiringi 2,000.
Ese ebeeyi obutunguru iri ku 2,000 akani atuni bakatamu enyogoga ese ndangana iri kusinji kanana nariso yitwa bandu bahese tukoyiwasi twandetro twala sabe government yetu watikaye itusubule esikimu yetu tunazirere yale mamu itu bandu bahese ni mtu atroka so itu bandu bahese si twandetro tukanza government yetu watikaye
enyanga lengekanye it not irrigation scheme kandi twabisi twanga tukerihulucha obutunguru na tutukawatikiwe nga bandu bahese achindu achikanye kola nabe kondi bwana twango lya bandu bakana lo hale na hale na tubakasatula ko butunguru eno
Kasese yetu ahatwa tukabwiha babera haramu emeti arasa nitubona bonire asa hano enganda yabiriko ku 2,000 kandi abamama nga bakatu supportingere wool siba wote sende kusanga tesa hano butunguru bubulire tukaya kwenda Kisoro na Kisoro kwabere kwayo.
Erifazo Muhindo chairman w'entebe ya Katana habwa district ya Kasese na jumiro bwebembezi bwa mubuku irrigation settlement scheme ahabwo kujikwatijaga.
There has been a challenge. Mubuku we have phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 is predominantly dominated by people who had ended up even planting crops of many years like mangoes, like what, which were not seasonal, and therefore those pieces of land had already been preoccupied with those.
TV West tichirire chairman wa mubuku irrigation settlement scheme Michael Bagonza kunkayanjire kugambira hari kamera zita hanshongeji eyo kuhinga emitamu n'emiyembe mu scheme. Abashuubuzi bwa hatano bashaba government kwergaye kabahereza itaka obundi bakabona okuhinga.
Ituwatika yayituherera ya malema tunautamani werelema sitwangabura mani tunautamani nase no mamatweri ya malema tukendeleme byali ebi itwabisitwangauliye nebiti ebi.
For example, if a farmer plants a eucalyptus tree in the farm, the eucalyptus tree to harvest it can take around 10 years. Should be from 7 years to 10. You can harvest eucalyptus tree. Then a mango can take also around 5 years.
Abantu bagira ngo bwa hatentasi yabe cendire ahabwo butunguro kutembe ebeeyi gasha kwa Gilbert Mhanguzi.